Current SAP S/4HANA solutions for shop floor Kanban requests are decentralized, making it difficult to raise a request. There are multiple challenges posing many questions, emphasizing on the need for a dedicated solution to address the gaps. C5MI, a YASH Technologies company, has designed a SAP-based solution to create a product within SAP S/4HANA's Fiori system to address these gaps in the current system and look after the user interface, material flow KPIs, and track real-time data. Welcome to C5MI's Digital Pull System. C5MI's Digital Pull System is built on existing SAP S/4HANA capabilities to streamline your business processes, manage exceptions, and enable root cause and corrective action workflow to drive improved business outcomes, streamline communication on material flow issues. Digital Pull System reduces the hardware costs and improves the logistics operator's interface. It also streamlines end-to-end communication with Kanban dwell time, alerts, and notifications. No additional third-party licensing is needed. The solution is a one-time expense versus perpetual subscription model. No additional security or user roles are required to maintain this outside of SAP. It offers simplified integration, infrastructure, and SAP support model. Single source of truth is available for material flow transactional data in one system. Hit the ground running with C5MI's Digital Pull System for all your Kanban requests.